Hi everyone, I am Sanjeev, founder of Sanjeev Classes. So every time a parent visits me, I oftenly get asked this question. So what exactly does I teach? Is it for the school students or for the BTech tuitions or for the entrance coaching? So in this video, I'm going to explain it all. So it will be very clear who we are, what we are, and what makes Sanjeev Classes. Sanjeev Classes, we focus on one simple thing, clarity in concept. So we are not a franchise or a crowded institute. We offer personalized coaching services. Our main strength is BTech tuition, so we handle all branches, whether it's CSE, A&ML, information science, EEE, ECE, mechanical, and all subjects. Students from the top colleges like RV, PES, MSRIT, and many more come to us when they need a clarity in the subject as well as they need the guaranteed results. Even if a student has a backlog, so we make sure that they clear it in one shot with full understanding. For students competing for KCET, COMEDK, JEE, NEET, we offer both the regular as well as the crash course batches. The crash courses are extremely popular. We take the last 20-year paper and solve them fully in exam-oriented way. We also guide class 11th as well as class 12th students to balance both the boards as well as the entrance exam without stress and to get good results. The goal is simple: to make students exam ready and confident with speed, accuracy and concept clarity. We also have tuitions from class 9 till 12, that is 9, 10, 11th and 12th, whether it is for the state board or for CBSE or for the ICSE or even for the IB or ICSE programs. Okay, so our goal is not just the marks, but it's all about building a strong foundation for the higher studies. So even if a student find especially maths or physics tough, after a few sessions they will start enjoying those subjects. The biggest difference between us and others is very simple. That's our batches are very small, and I personally can monitor each and every student's progress. And also I give the regular updates to the parents, whether it is for the notes completion or for the test results, and I make sure that no child is being left behind in their studies. Most of the admissions come through the word of mouth here because parents see the results within a few weeks itself, and also it's a result driven approach. So whatever we tell, that we do deliver it. And our motto is really simple: clarity today, success tomorrow. So if you are a parent or a student looking for genuine guidance, not just crowd coaching, but actual concept based teaching, then Sanjeev Class is the right place for you. So you can call us at 8123844690 or visit us in Bangalore. And also make sure that you guys subscribe to the YouTube channel Sanjeev Academy for more education video and updates. So, and I am Sanjeev here, and this is Sanjeev Classes, where we don't just teach, we transform the students.